Kia ora, ko Koan Hemana tōku ingoa, and I'm a third year student at Harvard College. And my experience thus far has been very, very amazing. I think that Harvard has opened up a lot of opportunities that wouldn't be available to me at any other place. And I am eternally grateful for the fact that this institution remains very open and welcoming of international students and really values taking in inputs from all sorts of walks of life and places, and it's very, very special to me. So in light of recent news and the Trump administration calling for the removal of those students, it's been a stressful and anxious last couple of days, but I'd like to say that I remain very faithful in the courts, and Harvard is an institution to find a solution very, very quickly. The question is, what strain of resources will that take, and in the interim, how a family is going to be affected. So we really don't know how long this problem will persist, but we do know that the Trump administration won't be around forever, and so I hope it doesn't deter any other New Zealanders, young Māori especially, to shoot for the stars and apply to places like Harvard and other institutions in the USA. So yeah, my heart goes out to all those families affected by this call from the administration.